What's up guys, NinjaCraft here, and well today I am going to teach you how to do the flower pattern on both of these cubes. So first let's do the easy one. Okay, so this seems pretty hard. So let's do this. This is what you do. Okay, so you do this 2 times and then you move it like that, and that. That's how you do the flower pattern. Now it should look like this. And these are very nice cubes. Oh gosh, just fun to play with. Okay, next is this. You might be thinking, what in the world is this? I actually don't know what this is. Okay, so this is how you do it. So the orange, you put orange 2 times. Put this top orange twice. And then you should have it like this. Then you do this twice. You do this twice. Okay? Oh, wait. So let's resolve it. Okay, let's recap. Okay? Since this might be confusing. You do this twice. Down. This twice. Let's see. Yeah, this twice and this twice. This is a flower pattern of the cube. And this is how you solve it. You do this twice and then you just line it up. Okay, so that's it, guys. These are very fun cubes to play with. These are really nice. So yeah, guys. See you guys next time. Bye. Bye, guys. Here, I'll do the last time of the year. Okay, this